Today, more than half of California's population received a COVID-19 text alert that was issued by the state, reminding residents to stay home. 23 ABC's Alex Bell shares more on what the state had to say about why that alert was sent out and if we'll see more in the future.
It is the widest we've ever issued an emergency alert because we think there is just that much danger, and we are trying to get everyone's attention so they can take those actions to protect themselves, protect their families.
On Tuesday at noon, a state emergency cell phone alert was sent to millions of residents in the San Joaquin Valley and Southern California counties, asking residents to stay home except for essential activities. The alert comes as the San Joaquin Valley and SoCal fall back under a mandatory regional stay-at-home order, which was issued by the governor's office. Brian Ferguson, who is the deputy director for crisis communication and public affairs for the governor's emergency services department, said the alert is unusual to use for COVID-19. But necessary.
When our ICU capacity is below 15%, we really do think that there's an imminent threat to public health and safety in the communities that are under the stay-at-home order.
The state used their wireless emergency alert system to send cell phone users a text in English and Spanish. Ferguson said the alert was sent at noon so people would notice but not be afraid. This is the first time that the state has issued such an alert, and although residents who received an alert on Tuesday shouldn't expect another, but if new regions do fall under that stay-at-home order, it could be sent again to those regions. The hope with this alert, though, is that it gets residents' attention.
To get over that COVID fatigue that so much of us are facing these days and understand that there really is an emergency to kind of get out of the fog.
Ferguson says it's also too early to tell if the alert increased calls to 911, but data will be released in the coming days. 23 ABC did reach out to local county officials to see if there was an increase in 911 calls from the alert. However, we were told there's no way to capture the number of calls because they don't get dispatched, which is where a cause is assigned to the call.